What's the meaning of carousel? Carousel. Carousel.
Carousel. Carousel. A carousel is a type of ride found at amusement parks and carnivals. It typically features a circular platform with seats for passengers that rotates around a central axis. Riders can enjoy the experience of riding in circles while being entertained by decorations and music. Some carousels feature animals, such as horses or unicorns, that move up and down as the ride rotates. Overall, carousels offer a fun and nostalgic form of entertainment that has delighted people of all ages for generations.